Dear student, today in our lecture number 5 of electrochemistry, hi, બધાની તબિયત સારી હશે? Fine. In the last lecture we discussed Nernst equation. એટલે કે whenever our cell is not standard, so we can derive potential of non-standard state. Non-standard means concentration is not molarity, temperature, pressure is not in standard condition, so which is called non-standard cell. Here equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Our new question: equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. We are going to derive equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation. Before that, once again we are taking Daniell cell. In the Daniell cell, what happens actually? Zinc rod is dipped into zinc sulfate and copper rod is dipped into copper sulfate. Clear? And both cell internally connected by salt bridge, externally by voltmeter and wire. So this circuit, outer circuit completed by wire and voltmeter. So we can measure voltage of the cell, EMF, voltage, yes, potential. We can derive. All are same. Here inner circuit completed by salt bridge. With passing the time, Zn plus 2, if our concentration was 1 molarity at initial stage, so this cell gives a cell potential 1.10. How? E degree cell means reduction potential of copper minus reduction potential of zinc. From table 3.1.34, here minus 0.76, so it will be minus minus plus. So we get in standard condition this cell gives 1.10 volt. But after passing the time, zinc will be corriged. Zinc atom converts into Zn plus 2 ion, and electrons are moving from anode to cathode, and this Cu plus 2 ion gains 2 electron and convert into Cu solid. So here concentration of Zn plus 2 ion increases and concentration of the Cu plus 2 ion decreases gradually. Then what happens? Here concentration of the Zn plus 2 ion decreases and concentration of Cu plus 2 ion is increases. So now voltage became less. According to Nernst equation, you can see here concentration of the Zn plus 2 increases and concentration of the Cu plus 2 decreases. So this value of the logarithm became positive, and with multiply to here, so it became negative. So 1.10 માંથી that portion will be subtract. So value will be of E cell decreases. સમજાય ને પેલા Zn plus 2 ની concentration વધતી જાય એટલે અપર પાર્ટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થયો, Cu plus 2 ની ડિક્રીઝ થતી જાય એટલે આ જે વેલ્યુ છે log ની વેલ્યુ એ પોઝિટિવ આવશે અને મોર પોઝિટિવ થતી જાય, આ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતું જાય એટલે આમાંથી સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ થાય તો 1.10 કરતા E cell less થઈ જાય. And whenever both are 1, જો બેની મોલારિટી 1 1 હોય તો આખર log 1 છે એ 0 થઈ જાય તો E cell equal to E degree cell થઈ જાય. Understood? But with increasing in concentration of anode solution, એટલે Zn plus 2 increase થતા જાય, Cu plus 2 decrease થતા જાય, so voltage became decreases and in the voltmeter it became 0. Yes, with passing the time equilibrium established between them and voltage became 0 in voltmeter. So we can say equilibrium is established. And whenever our cell became in equilibrium stage, voltage became 0. એટલે જ્યારે આપણો સેલ છે એ વોલ્ટેજ આપવાનું બંધ કરે, વોલ્ટેજ 0 થઈ જાય એટલે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ કન્ડિશન કહેવાય છે. In the Daniell cell reaction, Zn solid plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 and Cu solid. Takes place and passing the time, and as time passes, જેમ જેમ સમય પસાર થાય the concentration of Zn plus 2 ion increases. And concentration of Cu plus 2 ion decreases. At the same time, voltage in voltmeter, voltage in the voltmeter decreases. Understood? And whenever it became 0, reading became 0, so equilibrium is attained. And whenever voltage became 0, so equilibrium is attained. And this particular condition, E cell, not E degree cell, became 0 and equilibrium established. So E cell is equal to E degree cell minus 0.059 upon N. No, minus RT upon NF, ln, linear. Here concentration of the product, otherwise concentration of the anode solution, both same, upon concentration of the product, otherwise concentration of the cathode solution. We can write this equation in the form of logarithm. So linear remove करिए 2.303 RT upon NF log here Zn plus 2 upon Cu plus 2. Clear? Here once equilibrium is established, so E cell will be 0. Once equilibrium is established, then E cell became 0. So So what happens here? Now for Daniell cell, we know value of E degree cell. Standard cell potential of this cell is 1.10. 2.303 RT upon F is constant. At 298 Kelvin temperature હોય ત્યારે constant value 0.0592. N is equal to 2. Why 2? Why 2? Zinc has lost 2 electrons and Cu plus 2 ion has gained 2 electrons. So transfer of electron is 2, not 4. આ બે lose કર્યા અને બે gain કર્યા. The transfer of electron 2. At equilibrium, concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant should be Kc. So here will be Kc. Log Kc. Understood? Yes, here in the place. So 1.10. Now this one 0.059 by 2 log Kc is equal to 1.10. We are dividing this value by 2. So 0.296 log Kc. Understood? Now log Kc equal to 1.10 upon 0.0296. આ Kc કેમ લીધું ખબર ને? Concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant, it gives Kc. So log Kc. Once equilibrium is established, so voltmeter માં voltage 0 થાય. E degree cell 0 ના થાય. E cell became 0. Now division of here 1.10 divided by 0.0296. So value is 37.288. Yes, 37.288. For getting value of Kc, we have to remove log. So we have to apply both side anti-log. Yes. When we apply anti-log, so log will be removed. So anti-log of 37.288, log anti-log will be cut. So Kc is equal to anti-log of 37.288. So now, our methods 0.28 નો 8 માં anti-log જોવાનું. Yes. After point first two digit 0.28 and 0 to 9 હોય આમાં 8 માં અહીંયા ક્રોસ થાય જોજો. એટલે રાઉન્ડ અબાઉટ 1998 આવે છે કે 6 આવે. 1 પછી પોઈન્ટ મૂકી દેવાનું. Before point there is 37. So as the rest 37 comes. So in our book answer is given 2 into 10 raised to 7. Once again answer something new. Log remove करवा anti-log લીધું. આ division તો ખબર પડે, calculator થી ખબર પડી જશે. હવે 0.28 નું 8 માં anti-log જોવાનું. એટલે 0.28 in vertical line, 8 in horizontal. 28 into 8. So 1998. 10 raised to 37. Round about. So 2 into 10 raised to 37. Equation 3 point, yes, in general, whenever equilibrium constant value difficult to derive by any other methods, whenever equilibrium constant we can't derive easily by any other methods. So we can derive easily with the help of E degree cell. Yes, sir. E cell once again equal to E degree cell 0.059 is constant upon N and log Kc by Kc, concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant. Whenever equilibrium is attained once, so E cell became 0. Yes, sir. So E degree cell minus 0.059 upon N log Kc. So E degree cell equal to 0.059 upon N log Kc. Using this equation, whenever standard cell potential is known, then we can easily define the equilibrium constant of the cell. Very easily we can define the E degree cell is equal to આને આ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ, આને આમ લઈ જાઓ, બે માઇનસ કટ થઈ જાય ને, બસ એના ઉપર 0.059 upon n log Kc. This is useful equation for getting equilibrium constant from the standard cell potential. E degree means a standard. Now our example number 3.2. Yes, sir. Example number 3.2. Just calculate the equilibrium constant of the reaction. Calculate the equilibrium constant of the reaction. Here reaction is given Cu solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives Cu plus 2 and 2Ag solid. E degree cell is also given. Here standard cell potential is plus 0.46 volt. We have to calculate the equilibrium constant for the cell. How? Here N is equal to 2. Why? Transfer of electron. Cu loses 2 electron, became plus 2. 1 Ag plus ion gains 1 electron, so 2 Ag plus ion gains 2 electron. So here N is equal to 2. Now delta G, E cell is equal to E degree cell. Nernst equation, direct 0.059 upon 2 by 2, transfer of electron, log. In upper part, concentration of the product. Solid begu aqueous, only aqueous we have to take. Law of equilibrium. Copper with Ag plus, so only Ag plus, square of Ag plus. Why? 2 moles here, square. So here log at equilibrium, log Cu plus 2 upon square of Ag plus is equal to Kc. So here Kc. So at this time E cell became 0. 0 थी there. So 0 is equal to 0.46 minus divided by 2, 0.0296 and log Kc. આ value અહીં લઈ લો. So it became positive 0.0296 log Kc. 0.46 understood? Now, so log Kc will be 0.46 divided by 0.0296. Here division 0.49 0.46 divided by 0.0296, 15.54 comes. Now we have to derive Kc, not log Kc. This is log Kc. Log remove करो तो both side anti-log लेवन. Yes, so anti-log of 15.54. હવે એનો anti-log કેમ લેવાનું? 0.54 into 0. So 0.54 into 0, 3920 something. હવે 1 point પછી digit, or 1 digit પછી point મૂકી દેવાનું. Before point there is 15, so it comes as a rest term, as a power. So 3.92 calculation સમજાઈ ગયું ને? પહેલાને ડિવાઇડ કર્યું, હવે આમાંથી log remove કરવા, બે સાઈડ એન્ટી log એપ્લાય કર્યું. So 0.54 નું 0, એટલે 0.54 in vertical line and 0 horizontal. So it will be 3920. એમાં 1 digit પછી point મૂકી દેવાનું. Before 0.15 છે ને, as a 10 raised to 15 આવશે. This is our answer. Understood? Now another new question. We are going in our new question. In the new question, electrochemical cell and gives the energy of the reaction. Electrochemical cell and gives the free energy of the reaction. Yes. In electrochemical cell, actually which type of work occurs? In the electrochemical cell, electrical work occurs. Yes. There is a electrical work occurs. In the electrochemical cell, which type of work occurs? So actually there is a electrical work occurs. Yes. Chemical energy convert into electrical energy. So electrical work occurs in that particular case. Electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrical potential multiplied by total charge passed. Electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrical work done in 1 second in chemical cell is equal to electrode potential multiplied by total charge passed. Yes, sir. How much electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrode potential? એટલે voltage of the cell. And total charge, how many electrons? If 2 electron is passed, so we are multiplying by 96500, so it convert into coulomb. If we want to obtain maximum work from a galvanic cell, the charge has to be passed reversibly. Yes, sir. If we want to obtain maximum work from the electrochemical cell, the charge has to be reversible. Passed has to be passed reversibly. Whenever reaction is reversible, so maximum work done by the system. The reversible done is the decrease in Gibbs energy, and therefore it decreases the value of delta G, became negative. So negative work of delta G gives maximum electrical work. We know whenever value of delta G is highest, so negative value highest, so reaction is spontaneous. But delta G is gives energy and reaction. So in mathematically, R means reaction. Gives free energy of reaction is equal to minus NF E cell. E cell means cell potential. NF means quantity. Charge. How much? Charge into this one. Electrical work. W electrical in 1 second. Electrode potential and charge no multiplication check. It may be remembered that E cell is an intensive parameter. Here E cell is an intensive parameter. Means E cell is not depending upon quantity, where delta G is a extensive property. So it depends upon quantity. Yes, sir. And value of n in return is अब આપણે કોઈ એક reaction લઈએ. So value of n, how can we derive? Yes, this value of n we can derive from the chemical equation. How? Listen. In the Daniell cell, once again, Zn solid plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 and Cu solid. Here 2 electron is lost by zinc and 2 is gained by the Cu plus 2. So here n is equal to 2. So in this reaction, value of Gibbs free energy delta Rgr means reaction minus 2 Fe cell. If reaction is multiplied by 2, so on that particular case n will be 4. So 1 zinc loses 2 electrons, so 2 zinc loses 4 electrons. 4 is lost and 4 is gained. So value of delta Rg will be minus 4Fe cell. Understood? And whenever concentration of all the species became 1 when concentration of all the species is the unity, means 1 molarity. So E cell equal to E degree cell. How can we say? Yes, sir. From Nernst equation, E cell equal to E degree cell. 0.059 upon n, log. In upper portion, concentration of the product. In lower part, concentration of the reactant. If both is 1 molarity, कदाच स्क्वेर हो तो 1 નો સ્ક્વેર તો 1 જ રહેશે. So log 1. So value of log 1 is 0. So total part became 0. So in this case the E cell is equal to E degree cell. Yes. And now standard gives free energy. This one is not a standard, only gives free energy. But whenever standard cell potential is given, so derived value of delta G should be of standard. Degree means standard, superscript. Superscript means a standard derived value in standard condition. Understood? This is relation between cell potential and gives free energy. From the measurement of E degree cell, we can obtain important thermodynamic quantity. Yes, from E degree cell, we can derive one of the important thermodynamic property delta G, and from the delta G we can derive we can calculate and from value of delta G we can derive value of K, equilibrium constant. How? So delta G degree is equal to minus RT ln K. K means equilibrium constant. Now in the logarithm form, minus 2.303 RT log K. Once E cell is known, then we can define delta G, and we know delta G, then we can define equilibrium constant. Now example number 3.3. Example number 3.3. Yes, sir. Now question, the standard electrode potential, the standard electrode potential for Daniell cell. For Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. Calculate the standard. Calculate the standard gives energy for the reaction. For the reaction. Reaction is given of Daniel cell Zn solid plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 and Cu solid. So how can we define standard? Here standard cell potential is given, E degree cell 1.10. We have to derive delta G. Here n is equal to 2. Why? Zinc loses 2 electron and Cu plus 2 gains 2 electron. So value of delta G is equal to minus NF E degree cell. Here n is equal to 2. F 96487 E degree cell 1.10. This one in coulomb, this one in volt. Coulomb into volt is equal to joule. So multiply 2 into 96487 into 1.10. 212,271.4. 212. There is a mistake in your book. Bookમાં answer wrong છે. Correct it. Wrong છે. When we divide by 1000, so it comes in kilojoule per mole. Bookમાં answer wrong છે, સુધારજો. આ સાચું છે. Clear? Now in-text question. We are going to in-text question. In-text question. Emma 3.4. 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 completed. Now we are in 3.4. Calculate the potential of a hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. આપણને pH value is given of H plus I. Hydrogen electrode is not a standard. Standard है तो 0 છે. 1 molarity. So H plus oblique H2. Reduction potential for standard 0 and oxidation potential of it also 0. We have to derive non-standard. Here first of all pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus. Here pH is given 10. So minus log 10 H plus. Minus comes here. Minus 10. This is on the base of the 10. હવે એક સિમ્પલ મેથડ છે. આ સાઈડનો ડિજિટ ફૂલ હોય, પોઈન્ટ પછી 0 0 હોય, પોઈન્ટ પહેલા જ બધા ડિજિટ હોય, તો સિમ્પલ મેથડ. પહેલા log 10 આવી લઈ ગયા માઈનસ 10 થઈ જાય. ચલો હા, pH is equal to 10 છે, સિમ્પલ. તો pH એટલે માઈનસ log 10 H plus. ક્લિયર? માઈનસ આ સાઈડ લઈ જાય. So log 10 H plus is equal to minus 10. Whenever our base is 10, this part comes as a power. minus 10. So H plus molarity comes 10 raised to minus 10. Now, whenever potential asked and no any clarification is done, so it means we have to derive reduction potential. So here reduction potential of hydrogen will be H plus ion gains electron gives 1 of H2 gas. From Nernst equation E, H plus oblique 1 of H2. This one non-standard plus 1 into 0 reduction here E degree means a standard 1 of H2 minus 0.059 upon 1 n is 1 log upper part my H2 product upon reactant but gas with aqua, so gas is the unity upon H plus this value standard is 0 in both cases 0 0.059 log value of H plus 10 raised to minus 10 0.059 log division માં એટલે log 1 minus log 10 raised to minus 10 value of log 1 0 minus 10 comes here in multiplication log 10 की value 1 minus minus plus, so 0.059 into 10, so answer is minus 0.59 volt. Yes, minus 0.59 volt is our answer. If oxidation potential is asked, then 1 of H2 gas gives H plus plus electron. We have to take like this. So E 1 of H2 oblique H plus E degree 1 of H2 oblique H plus 0 into plus 1 oxidation 0.059 upon 1 log H plus comes upward here product and H2 gas is unity. This value 0 standard potential 0.059 log value of H plus minus 10. So minus 10 comes power in multiplication. Value of log 10 now 1 minus minus plus. So oxidation potential for this non-standard hydrogen electrode is positive. This one is negative. Understood? Now last point of the day 3.5. Index question 3.5. Question 3.5 index. Now calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction take place. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Understood? EMF means E cell. Here Ni solid plus 2 Ag plus. Concentration of Ag plus is given 0.002 molarity and Ni plus 2. Concentration of Ni plus 2 also given is 0.16 molarity N2Ag solid. And E degree cell is given 1.05 volt. Clear? Here N is equal to 2. Why? Nickel has lost 2 electron, Ag plus has gained 2 electron, so N is equal to 2. So now E cell we have to derive. E degree cell given 0.059 upon 2 log. In upper part concentration of the product Ni plus 2 and lower part concentration of the reactant. A solid unity 1. એકવા સાથે સોલિડ એટલે નહીં લેવાનું, એકવા સાથે સોલિડ છે એટલે નહીં લેવાનું. અને બે પ્રોડક્ટ ચાર લીધી aqueous. E degree cell 1.05 0.059 divided by 2. Here concentration of Ni plus 2 is 0.16 upon 0.002 raised to square. We are simplifying log 0.16 means 1.6 10 raised to minus 1 for this part. હવે upon છે એટલે it comes as a minus log. So here 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 raised to square. So plus 1.05 minus 0.0296. Now log 1.6 plus log 10 raised to minus 1. Here in bracket, yes, square of 2 4 minus 6. So plus 1.05 0.0296. Before point 1 digit 0.16 નું 0 માં log જુઓ. Find out value of the logarithm. 0.2041. 0.2041. Rest comes here minus 1, then after IIM log 10 1 minus log 4 plus log 10 raised to minus 6. So here will be plus 1.05 minus 0.0296 1 minus 0.2041 0.7959 minus 0.7959 minus value of log 4 is 0.626021. Yes. Point 6021 log 4 minus 6. So 1.05 minus 0.0296 minus 0.7959 minus 6 માંથી 0.6021 subtract 6 minus 0.6021 5.3979. So here minus minus plus 1.05 minus 0.0296 0.7959 minus minus plus. So 1.05 minus 0.0296. Now minus 5.3979 minus 0.7959. So 4.6. Multiply with 0.0296. 0.0296 into 4.6.13. Yes. 1.05 minus 0.13, so 0.92 volt is our answer. This is our standard potential. Understood? બધાને દેખાય છે? Our answer is 0.92. Yes, here. 1.05 minus 0.13 plus 0.92 volt is our non-standard cell potential. Yes. Whenever unity, nothing. 1 nothing. It's non-standard. So we have to use Nernst equation. Bye. Take care. We will meet in our next lecture.